Happy Saturday, everyone. We're on day 2 of the Mechanical Keyboards Switch Advent Calendar. Let's go ahead and open up and see what's inside. I introduced my mouse to my keyboard today. It was awkward at first, but then they just clicked. Today's switch is an MX Clear 65 gram tactile switch and plate mount. A little scratchy. So there we have it, our Cherry MX Clear 65 gram tactile switch. So there's our day 2 switch for the Mechanical Keyboards Switch calendar. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell icon. That way you can join me in this journey till Christmas, every single day of different keyboard switches. Until next time, see you tomorrow.